In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. A credit memo is used when you need to reduce the amount a customer owes, usually because of a refund, a pricing adjustment, returned items, or any situation where part of a previous sale needs to be credited back. The important thing is to make sure the credit memo matches the original transaction as closely as possible, so your records stay accurate and easy to track later. To get started, go to your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click the plus New button at the top of the screen. This is where you can create new transactions in QuickBooks. From the menu that opens, look under the Customers section and select Credit Memo. That will open a new credit memo form. Once the form appears, choose the correct customer from the drop-down menu. Make sure you select the same customer connected to the original invoice or sales transaction. This helps QuickBooks apply the credit properly and keeps the customer's account history clean and organized. Next, check the credit memo date. QuickBooks may fill in today's date automatically, but you should update it if needed so it reflects the correct date for the credit. Using the right date is helpful for accurate reporting and for making sure the adjustment appears in the right accounting period. After that, move down to the Product or Service section and select the same items that appeared on the original transaction. This step is especially important because it keeps your sales and item reporting consistent. If the credit is related to a returned product or a corrected service charge, matching the original line items makes the transaction much easier to understand later. Then enter the correct quantities, rates, or total credit amount. Depending on the situation, you might be crediting the full amount or only part of it. Take a moment here to double-check the numbers before saving. Even a small difference can affect customer balances and financial reports, so accuracy really matters. When everything looks correct, finish by clicking Save and Close if you're done, or Save and Send if you want to send the credit memo to the customer right away. Saving and sending can be useful if you want the customer to have immediate documentation of the credit, and that's it. Once the credit memo is saved, QuickBooks will keep it on the customer's account so it can be applied where needed. If you follow these steps carefully, entering a credit memo in QuickBooks Online is quick, straightforward, and much easier to manage accurately.